What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be putting you through on how to work with sparklines on Microsoft Excel. So what you need to do right now is to go to inserts. When you go to inserts, you see sparkline. Sparkline is right here. So what is sparkline? Sparkline is a tiny chart in a worksheet cell that provides a visual representation of data. Let's go into practical. Now as we have this data right here, we have this data showing the sales from the sales managers in an organization. For instance, like we have sales managers from here to here. We have what they made annually. This is 2014, 2015, 2016, 17, 18, 19. Now if you want to show the performance of their sales, so what you need to do is to select a blank cell at the end of your data. Like from here, let me put the sparkline here. I want to put the sparkline here. So what you do, since we are showing the data from here to here, so you go to your sparkline by clicking right here and go to highlight, then sparkline. You come to your sparkline here and click line. When you click line, so you just have to locate where the range should be. That's where this box comes out. So you click right where you want it to be. I want to get my sparkline information right here. So you click. As you can see, the location range is stated. So you click OK. Right, we have it. This is sparkline for this click John. So if you want it to if you want to do the same to others, you just have to come the right corner of your cell here, of your cell. As you are seeing the plus, you now drag down to where your information ends. As you can see, this is our sparkline. So you can make your information, you can make your decision based on this. So if you need to change the color, you come right here at the top right here under design, that is Sparkline tools design. So you can click any color you want, click one by one, you click until you see what you want. So right now that is that for sparkline. So if you need to change the type, we have line, columns, and win/logs. So if you need to change the type, you click on column. You can see column. So it's there like this. So if you need to go to win/logs, you click on win/logs. So that is that for sparkline. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more. Comment and like. Bye.